Filter bag cleaning. Stop the machine by pressing the stop button. Release the filter drum latches, both the sides, and take out the filter bag carefully. Reverse the filter bag. Use an air blower and thoroughly clean the bag as shown in the video. Straighten the filter bag. Put it back in the drum as shown. Lock the filter drum properly by closing the latches on both the sides. Clean the filter bag at least once a day to get a good throughput.